Ready to transform your Zoho CRM from a generic tool into a powerhouse perfectly tailored for your business. First, click the setup icon in the top right corner to access the customization options. This is your control panel for making Zoho CRM your own. Next, under the customization section, select modules and fields. This area lets you modify existing modules like leads, contacts, and deals, or even create entirely new ones that align perfectly with your unique business processes. To add a new field, click the New Fields button. Choose the appropriate field type, think single line, pick list, or number, and give it a clear and descriptive name. For example, you might add a product interest field to your leads module. Now, let's automate. Navigate to Automation. Then Workflow Rules. These rules automatically trigger actions based on specific events. For example, you can create a rule that automatically assigns a task to a sales rep when a new lead is created. Select the module you want to apply the rule to. Define the trigger event and specify the action to be performed. Finally, let's talk reporting. Click the Reports module and then New Report. Choose the type of report you want to create, add the relevant fields, and apply filters to get the exact data insights you need. Imagine creating a report that shows which lead sources are generating the most qualified leads. And there you have it. With these customization options, you can fine-tune Zoho CRM to streamline your workflows, improve data accuracy, and gain valuable insights that drive business growth. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment. The possibilities are endless.